Next goes in my crushed pineapple. Just want everything evenly distributed in the pan. And of course, what would fried rice be without the rice? I made this in advance and I chilled it. It's 4 cups of organic long grain brown rice. I'm adding it to the pan. And to that, I'm adding a 1/2 cup of tamari. Tamari is a wheat-free soy sauce. A lot of people are avoiding wheat these days. Now I kind of look at that and I see, well, you know what? I think I need a little bit more because I want it all over the rice. I want it absorbed, so you can always add a little bit more. You can always add to a recipe. You can't take away. So especially things like tamari that are salty or things that are sweet or spicy, add a little, and then you can add more. I want this nicely distributed so that all the vegetables can be seen. And not just a big lump of pineapple here and the peas there. It's really looking quite pretty. You just want to make sure the rice absorbs the tamari and you don't have like glumps of rice without sauce on it. Now traditionally, often fried rice will have egg in it. Being vegan, I don't use egg. Often it has bits of meat in it. If you want to simulate at least the meat part, you can buy an already cooked, like teriyaki tofu at Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. Cut it in really, really tiny cubes. And that would be like your meat. This is smelling really good. Again, there's no sugar in here. You get the sweetness from the unsweetened pineapple. Once it's completely incorporated, and I see that all the rice has been absorbed by the tamari. Again, if you don't have tamari, you can certainly use soy sauce. Same flavor. One has wheat, one doesn't. If you have a wok, this would be great in a wok. Really easy to make.